It's happy moment. Now I am leaving them. Look at this, they are too much happy. They're fine. Oh my god. They're too much happy. They're going back again. And they're now searching food. It's very easy to happy your chicks. This is another breed. There's our another breed, and these are broilers. So now I am going to leaving them outside from home so they can find some food, organic food. Okay. So let's move. Go. There is another one lifting. Go. Move. Go outside. Go. There is another breed. They're also hungry. They come home. These are all of my free range. They are free range. Look at this. They are 10 chicks. They are just 18 days old. They are also come to feed. Look at me. Now I'm going to feed them. They are finding food in just look at here. They are here. There is some already in the field and finding food. So now I'm going back to home to feed another breed. So I'm going to feed them so that they can find some food. Look at this. It's feeding sound, and they are now eating. Those are waiting for food. There's all of my free range chicken. Here is another chicks. Okay. These are broiler breeds. I am keeping them as a free range. I did not give them any vaccine, any medicine, any artificial food. I'm just giving them natural food so that they can grow up. By this food I will get a fresh meat. Hope you understand. This what they are eating. Oh my god, they are eating ants, grass, some flowers, leaves. Look at this. I'm going to get closer of one of these so that you can identify that actually what they are eating. Look, that's maybe plastics. No, eggshells. That was eggshells. Look, another one. Okay, look, they're eating eggshells. These are broiler. Okay, so this is organic food, real organic food. I'm going to show you that this is field. It's a free field. There is nothing to show. So look at this. They are trying to catch some insects in this field. So viewers, if you want, you can easily keep broiler chickens in this process as I am showing you. and these are now free range. I leave them 2 times in the field so that they can find natural foods like insects, grass, flower, leaves, or something else what they like to eat, so that they can find. That's why I leaving them every day 2 times in the field. Look, there is only 20. By this process, free range farming you may call it, but I bought this chicken only for my family needed meat. That I'm going to show you. Look, she's eating eggshells. They're running. They're so happy in this field, finding various kind of food. If one found, then others running behind her so that they can tip her food like this. Look at her. Maybe she worried about me, that's why she ran. Look, here is 3. There is some also. There are already some playing with insects. She's so happy. Everyone is happy. Look at them. Look, they're eating eggshells. Maybe they need this, that's why they're eating. These all of my broiler breeds. Okay, look, there is so much dirty in this field, but they're also, look, she's eating ant like this, curling her body. Look what they're eating. That one, I don't know what she finding in the soil. Look at her. There is all of my chicks. All are 20 chicks well right now. There is no one sick. I did not found anyone in the sick position. Everything is well. So I think I will get all 20 chickens are well, and I will eat them. Okay, no more today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Bye bye.